Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we are drawing and coloring the mighty number block 30, a super square made of 30 little blocks. Let's get our pencils and paper ready. First, let's draw his body. Draw a tall rectangle. This rectangle will hold all of his blocks. Now, let's turn this rectangle into a grid. Draw the horizontal lines to make 3 groups of 10. Next, draw the vertical lines to complete all the little squares. We've just made 30 little blocks. Wow, 30! That's a lot of me!
That's right. I'm made of 3 wonderful 10s. 10, 20, 30.
Now for his face and his crown. First, let's draw the crown on top of his head. It looks like a little fence with points on top. Next, let's draw his 2 big happy eyes right on his face. And now, draw his smile below his eyes. It's wide and happy. Now let's add his arms. Draw a curvy arm on each side of his body. And for his feet, draw 2 little legs at the very bottom. Finally, let's add his number badge. You did it! Your drawing of number block 30 is all ready. Let's make him colorful. It's time for some color. Let's bring our royal number block to life. First, let's start with his eyes. Grab your black crayon and color in the pupils and inside the mouth area. Let's spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Now, pick up your dark pink crayon and color in his happy smile. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Can you smile while you color? Show me your biggest, happiest smile. Now, let's grab the yellow crayon. Color the area around his eyes with yellow. Then fill in his crown. Spell it with me. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Next, pick up your red crayon and color the small balls on top of his crown. Let's spell red together. R-E-D, red. My crown shows I'm the royal rainbow of 30. Now for the most exciting part, the rainbow on his body. We're going to color row by row, nice and slow, starting from the top. Grab your red crayon, color the very first row all red. Let's spell it together. R-E-D, red. Pause, take your time, make the row bright and bold. Mini game. Can you spot something red around you? Maybe an apple or a toy. Great job! Now, let's move to the second row. This one is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Pause, slowly fill in the row. Keep your coloring neat. Wow! Red and orange together look like fire! Next comes yellow, the third row. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow.
From 1 to 10 we're learning, hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things.
Pause, nice and sunny, just like the bright sun. Mini game. Clap 3 times while you color yellow. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the 4th row. green. Green. Green.
Buzzing round the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a happy breeze! Let's add some friendly animals. A puppy soft and sweet. 6 little spots
Pause.
upon him
Fill in
from his head to
slowly.
his feet.
Green is the color of grass and trees.
Swimming in the sea.
I feel fresh and leafy with this green row.
The next row is blue. Let's spell it together. B-L-U-E. Blue.
From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray! Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new.
Pause. Carefully color the whole row. Blue looks like the sky and the sea. Ah, take a deep breath like the big blue sky. Ah. Now it's time for purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our counting's through. Bright and new.
Pause. Fill the row with this royal color. Purple is the color of magic.
Ooh, I'm looking royal already.
And the very last row is pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Minigame. Count the rainbow rows with me as we check them all. 1, red. 2, orange. 3, yellow. 4, green. 5, blue. 6, purple. 7, pink. Wow, 7 colors, just like a real rainbow. We're almost done. Grab your light orange crayon. We'll use this color to fill in his arms and his legs. Let's spell orange again. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Ta-da! I'm Numberblock 30, the Rainbow King. Hooray! You did it! Your Numberblock 30 is all complete and looks absolutely amazing. You just created a masterpiece, and you learned that 30 is made of 3 tens. 3 tens! That's triple the fun!
Triple the tens, triple the power.
Give yourselves a big round of applause. We'll see you next time for more Numberblock adventures.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.